Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to transfer games between your Epic Games accounts. Let's get started. First, why transfer? Maybe you have a new account or want to share with friends. Let's make that happen. Visit the Epic Games website. Log into your first account to start the transfer process. Next, find the option for game transfers under your account settings. It's essential. Select the games you wish to transfer. Double check that you've made the right choices. Finally, confirm your transfer. A prompt will notify you once it's complete. Enjoy your newly transferred library. Remember, not all games may be transferable. Check the fine print before proceeding. Make sure both accounts are verified to avoid any hiccups during the transfer. Need help? Epic Games support is there for you, just a click away. Now you're ready to game. Share your new account with friends and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Happy gaming! Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.